We're here today at Eleanor C. Park at the Stewardship Education Center, and we're celebrating the unveiling of the Poetry in the Park plaques here at the park. So Poetry in the Park is a collaboration between ArtsFairfax, the Fairfax County Poet Laureate, and the Parks Department to really celebrate the beauty of art and poetry within natural areas.
When I applied to become the Fairfax County Poet Laureate through ArtsFairfax, I had to come up with a community engagement project that I proposed, and what I proposed was the Poetry in the Parks program, which brings together both park goers and poetry lovers into the same space. So we're expanding the scope of poetry in the community by connecting to a larger audience of people who come to the parks. And we did that through poetry readings, poetry workshops, and now the poetry plaques.
I'm very excited for the fact that this project opens a way for us to share those creations, both with our neighbors and for generations to come.
The poetry plaques are going to be here for anybody who comes through the parks, whether it's a Fairfax County resident or somebody visiting from out of town. They could be exploring the parks and come across this and say, this really moves me. I'm going to respond to this and create something beautiful. Part of the poetry plaque is a digital collection that we are asking people who come and visit these plaques to actually share with us their responses. There's a QR code that you can scan, and it'll take you to a place where you can submit whatever you've created. It's a community collection. We're trying to gather everybody's voices and gather, these creative minds into one place. Well, I am extremely thankful for the support of the Fairfax County Park Authority and ArtsFairfax in putting all of this programming together over the past 2 years. And I don't think I could express how grateful I am to them for this opportunity.